Good afternoon. My name is Juana Ruiz. I'm an undergraduate at Tarleton State University. My research will be on impact of distance learning on students' anxiety. Um, some of the background is that distance learning was introduced as a method to facilitate learning to those who are far or are unable to attend. In recent years, this method has been seen a lot. A current pandemic caused tens of millions of students to transfer to distance learning throughout the world. Many students already suffer with mental health as college students. This may be because of being away from family, being away from friends, having to adapt to a new environment. All of these are factors. Am I recording? Okay, so in this study, the methods are it was a total of 25 participants that took the survey and the informed consent. This was a voluntary self report survey through Google Forms that was posted online and shared on social media platforms such as Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. The message was the Hamilton Anxiety Rating Scale. Um, The choices were 0, not present, to number 4, severe. The totals of the scale was if it was under 17, that's mild severity, 18 to 24, mild to moderate, 25 to 30, moderate to severe. Um, the purpose of this research was to find if distance learning had an impact on student stress and anxiety. Some students may be able to adapt better than others when it comes to their learning environments. Some are able to be more successful by being online and doing the material at their own pace. Others need that daily interaction with their professors and peers to be able to succeed in their education. Here are the analysis models. I did a Pearson correlation between the total of the HAMA and how do you complete your classes. One being on campus, two being hybrid, and three being distance learning. I categorized the total of their anxiety um, over how they complete their classes. Uh, some that are on campus, they do suffer of anxiety, some more than others. Some that are hybrid are down the middle. There was one that was had low stress or low anxiety, and the one in the middle that had like about 23, 24 that was mild to moderate, and then one that had a severe anxiety. Um, the distance learning, I had a majority of the survey takers that were under that category. Many were under the severe mark of anxiety. There was a couple that were on like the extreme of the anxiety. Um, the results. The Pearson correlation is 0.082. This means that there's a slight positive correlation. If one variable increases, then the other one will increase. Um, in this case, if you reach number 3, which is distance learning, then there's more a variety of stress. The p-value is 0.0696. The discussion, I believe that there needed to be a more thorough study with different scales so it could be any stress or anxiety can be measured. A handful of students that did distance learning had a mild to moderate or moderate to severe. Down below are the references um, that I used for this study. Thank you.